What if I told you that the deadliest wave in the ocean doesn't crash, doesn't roar, and you will never see it coming? Every year, thousands of people stand on a peaceful beaches, believing the water is calm. But beneath that silence, the ocean is preparing a trap, one that pulls you in without a single warning. The ocean can look like the safest place on earth. Sunlight shimmering, waves rolling softly, families laughing on the sand. But the same calm surface hides something humans still underestimate. A force so powerful, so silent that even strong swimmers lose in seconds. It begins with a small change in the water, a shift so gentle your eyes miss it. But the ocean, it has already chosen its target. They are called rip currents, narrow rivers of water that suddenly form and drag everything straight into the deep. No warning, no sound, no time to react. To the ocean, it's just physics. To us, it's terror. People describe the same moment. Everything felt normal, and then the ocean grabbed me. Your feet lift off the sand, your body moves backward even though waves are coming toward you, and your brain screams something is wrong. This is the ocean's invisible hand. And while most people panic and try to swim against it, that's the mistake that kills. Because this current is faster than an Olympic swimmer. But rip currents aren't the only enemies hiding beneath the water. There are Roche waves, 50-foot walls of water that rise from nowhere, smashing ships that never saw them coming. And then there's the strangest one, an underwater pressure wave, created when millions of gallons of water suddenly shift. You don't see it, you don't hear it, but when it reaches you, your whole body is lifted and pulled like you are weightless. Nature doesn't need to shout to be terrifying. Sometimes silence is enough. Here's the part almost nobody knows. The ocean doesn't pull you down, it pulls you away, further and further, until land becomes a thin line. Your instinct says swim back, but nature knows you will run out of breath before it runs out of power. Only one thing saves people: swimming sideways, across the current, not against it. It feels wrong, it feels slow, but it saves your life. Because the ocean is not trying to drown you, it's following its rule. Rules humans never learn. So the next time the ocean looks peaceful, remember this: its deadliest dangers wear beautiful disguise. Not every threat roars like a storm. Some glide beneath the surface, quiet, invisible, waiting. If you learned something new today, subscribe to EcoWill and let's explore the wild world together.